Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the tools ready. Begin by softening the adhesive to avoid ripping. Aim the hairdryer at the cover edge for 20–30 seconds while moving constantly. This relaxes the glue and makes separation safer. Once warm, slide a thin plastic card under the softened corner and lift gently. Do not pull straight up or you'll tear the cover. If the card meets resistance, apply more heat and try again gradually, making sure to protect the inner pages with a scrap of parchment. Continue by peeling in short, controlled sections to keep tension low and prevent damage. Reheat each area for 10–20 seconds before lifting and use a card or thin spatula to separate layers. This reduces tearing. When you hit a stubborn patch, dab isopropyl on a microfiber cloth and gently rub the glue edge. The solvent loosens residue without soaking pages. Once you see the cover releasing smoothly, alternate heating and lifting until the main portion is free, making sure you remove any loose fibers as you go. Finish by cleaning adhesive residue. Apply a small amount of isopropyl on a cloth and gently rub until tack is gone, then let the book air dry flat. If the cover has warped, place wax paper between cover and pages and weigh it overnight to flatten. Make sure the book is completely dry before storing. If adhesive remains stubborn or pages have adhered, pause and seek professional conservation advice for valuable or fragile books. Forcing the issue can cause irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.